Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Today I am keeping it simple. What stands out, what to check, and who the Tech Gadget is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Exceptional audio. Catch details like never before. Designed with a High-Res Audio1 24-bit hi-fi codec, the latest. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Two-way speaker. Enjoy every audio experience to the fullest with 2 speakers in both buds, including a tweeter. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. HD voice. Enjoy clear phone calls with Galaxy Buds 4 Pro and Galaxy S26 Series Superscript 2. They work together to deliver. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict. The Tech Gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.